Hi, let me show you how I turned this abandoned village to a very beautiful city like this. Yeah, before we go, let me show you how it all started. So we need to change the road with our special AI tool, and we did. So we need to order fire and rebuild the place, start building. So we did. So we turned this building to special one, new one, brand new one. So we did this another one, perfect. So we just need to change the style, which one is feel better, and we just started in and see the 60 already started looking good. Wow, I think this is amazing. Yeah, see the final one, the final streets, look at it, so beautiful.